I'm on my way to delivery number 20. See, that's what I mean. Right now it sends me to 20 and then 21 is here, but it sends me to 20 because I think it is, yeah, because I'm coming back through that road.
Navigation
so it sends me
a U-turn on Anagabo Road, then an 800 feet turn left.
Yeah, I have to make a U-turn. Going to the wrong direction.
Head north on Anagabo Road, then in 350 feet make a U-turn on Anagabo Road.
I'm mistaken, I shouldn't make a U-turn. But I'm gonna make a U-turn here. That's a very small house. Yeah, let's proceed delivering, guys.
In 3/4 of a mile, arrive at the destination on your right.
Oh, you have a very bad road. This is a rocky road, stone road. Oh my god, I have to drive all the way down this road. Oh, because somebody lives down this road and the road is very bad, but it is better to drive. It is better than other type of roads. I don't know how to explain it for you guys. Hopefully you understood. There are very worst roads than this one. Another dog, another fucking dog. Oh my god, this is a very bad one. Oh my god. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? Imagine that this road full of floods, full of water. Why would somebody do this? I have all the right to cancel this delivery right now, but I am half of the way there, so I'm not gonna do this. That's exactly what I was talking about, the worst road. Oh my god, that's why you need a high car above the ground, and sport cars is never good for this type of roads. Where should I go? Where is this road going? I'm driving in the middle of the forest. Do you hear my car? It is these plants, these grasses, like is scratching the bottom of my car now. Oh, oh, oh my god. That's why, thankfully, I have higher and reward insurance. If something happened to my car, that I can say, guys, insurance company, please fix my car or give me another car if you are not able to fix it, because Amazon prevent me of doing any delivery if I don't have insurance. I don't know, but I feel like I came here before. I remember like one of the deliveries was in a very bad places, and I think it is this house. Oh. They have 3 cars here. How do you drive to this place, and how do you live in these places? Fix your roads, guys. You have a very weird road. Sorry. Alright. He knows that they have a very bad road. He knows that. Oh my god. I like manual cars, guys, but I'm sorry, my feet hurts me from pedaling, pushing the, what is it called? From driving in these roads and trying not to make an accident. If you one of the delivery drivers and you have to drive in these kind of roads, you need to drive in a very slow speed. You don't want to fall here or to fall here, because if you do that, I don't think that any of the recovery drivers or recovery truck drivers will come to pick you up. And if they have to come here in this kind of roads, you have to pay lots of money to retrieve your car. I don't think you know what I'm speaking about. I'm gonna show you the road that I'm driving. Look at this road. Look at this road. And look at this place. If your car fall here, that's the end for you, guys. That's the end for you. And look at here. This is literally a forest. Oh. Literally the grass scratches the bottom of my car. Oh my god. Why do they have to live in this kind of places? With all I do respect you guys, you have all the right to live in any place you want, but if you have to order something online and a poor guy like me have to deliver these things for you, it's gonna be a nightmare for that poor delivery driver. Oh my god. Now I was complaining about the stone road, like this type of road here. I was complaining about this, but that was a mercy Look, right now I can drive in this stone road. It's very good. I was complaining about this one, and I was thinking about that type of road, exactly the very worst road. But later on, I discovered that I have to drive through that road I was worried about exactly. And this one is like heaven for me now. Look, I'm driving fast. I don't have to worry about any grass that scratches my car. This is gear number 4. I was driving using gear number 1 and gear number 2 in the previous road. Oh, finally.
Navigation started. U-turn. 100 feet turn left onto Tamnamore Road.
Oh, I'm glad that I finished
Turn left onto Tamnamore
delivering
Road.
there.
Two-way stop ahead. Cross traffic doesn't stop. 350 feet park on Tamnamore Road and destination is on the right. On Tamnamore Road and destination is on the right.
All the narrow roads. I'm sorry I said that I like to drive in this road. It is nice, it's exciting, but it is very tiring. And end of the day you have to use that muscle crane under your feet or in your feet. Envelope 80. Come on, envelope 80. Yeah, outside of delivery area. Nice house. Where am I? I'm in the wrong destination. Yeah, I am in the wrong destination. It should be that house. But which house? What house? Which one? Is it 69A? Oh, 71. It is that one. I like it. It's nice. And by the way, don't wear a shoes like this in a rainy situation, in a rainy day.